guys, welcome back. So in this section, let's discuss about the concepts of previews that are available for the products on the Azure platform. Now Azure constantly gives us updates. So this could be update to existing features on Azure services, or this could be the new features to existing services, or this could be a new service altogether. Now these updates are constant, and every month they probably be an update on Azure platform. Now this is the page where you will see all the updates. As you can see here, Azure Sphere OS version 2012 is now available for evaluation. So all these updates will be mentioned on this page. You can visit this page https://azure.microsoft.com and updates. So now let's go to the section that is mentioned here, which says in preview, and click on filter results. So these are the features or the product. As you can see here, it's mentioned as features, and so these are products which are in preview mode. Now the entire idea is to get feedback from the customers. So Microsoft will make these features available on the Azure platform for the customers. Now customers will try the product, give their feedback, and then the feedback will be used to basically improve the product itself. And once the preview is completed, if Microsoft thinks that the product can now be released onto the market, they will then make it generally available to the public. Now again, there are two types of of preview. One is the private preview and one is the public preview. So in public preview, which you can see here, anyone can go ahead and use it, and the other one is the private preview, for which either Microsoft chooses a specific company, an organization to use and check how the product is, or a company reaches out to Microsoft saying that they want to go ahead and test the in preview mode for that particular product. Now one thing to notice here is that whenever a product or a feature is in preview mode, SLA doesn't count, which means whenever you are choosing to use a product which is in preview mode, either public or private, Microsoft doesn't give a guarantee on the SLA part. So this is just a new feature or a new product which has been released for validation purpose, for checking how the usage can be, etc. So let's try to see how you can see about this product, how you can use this product on the portal. So here is my account. So you can, if you go ahead, click on Clicker, create a resource. So in the Azure Marketplace, maybe you can go ahead in this blockchain section, and here you can see lot many of the features or the product are in, or the service are in preview mode. So you are free to use as far as it's showing out here. So you have to try and see how it's going to work and then give your feedback to Microsoft. So as I said, there is no guarantee on the SLA, since Microsoft is just trying out these products with their users. So there is no SLA on the product itself. So it's not advisable to use a production environment on any of these products. So, but it can be used in the development or in a testing environment. So you can always be up to date about these previews and in any kind of updates which Microsoft is trying to provide through this particular page, azure.microsoft.com/updates. So that's all for this section, and we'll connect back in the next section. Thank you.